If you're ready to update your username on Duolingo, here's a step-by-step guide. Let's start. First, open the Duolingo app on your device. Tap on the profile icon at the bottom of the screen. If a pop-up window appears, close it by tapping Maybe later. Now we can access the settings. Tap on the settings icon in the top right corner of the screen. Find and open the profile section. In this section, locate the username field. Tap on the username field to edit it. Erase your current username and enter your new desired username. I'll add some new letters here. Note that the username must be between 3 and 16 characters long. Try different usernames until you find one that is available. Go back one more step and save the change by tapping Done. And that's it. Now your Duolingo username is successfully changed. The username is immediately updated on your profile. That's all for this tutorial. If you found this tutorial helpful, follow for more tips and tricks.